Military and security forces. Iran has a large, multifaceted military. The official army and navy exist, but the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, founded in 1979, is especially powerful. Created to defend the revolution, the IRGC has evolved into a state within a state. Starting in the 1950s, Iran developed civilian nuclear technology. Domestically, the IRGC is deeply entrenched. Internationally, Iran leverages its rockets, drones, and networks to project power. As a CFR analyst notes, successive Iranian presidents, Rafsanjani through Raisi, have not challenged the IRGC Khamenei axis, which remains dominant. This ensures Iran's military strategy, centered on resistance through missile deterrence and proxies, continues unabated. After 2000, Iran accelerated enrichment programs, raising global alarm. The 2015 deal, JCPOA, temporarily froze its capability, but after the U.S. pulled out in 2018, Iran expanded enrichment again, drawing sanctions. In mid-2025, Israel and the U.S. reportedly struck Iranian nuclear-related facilities. Iran insists its program is peaceful, though it claims the right to nuclear technology. It controls elite ground forces, the Quds Force, its overseas operations unit, the Basij militia, and even economic assets. The IRGC operates Iran's ballistic missile program and drone program. Under the IRGC's watch, Iran has amassed diverse missiles, short, medium, and long-range ballistic missiles, and launched satellites. Iran's strategy emphasizes asymmetrical warfare. In addition to conventional missiles, it sponsors proxies across the region. The IRGC Quds Force trains and equips groups like Hezbollah, Lebanon, Shia militias in Iraq and Syria, the Houthis in Yemen, and Palestinian fighters. In 2024, amid the Israel-Hamas war, the IRGC reportedly provided arms to its allies, Lebanon's Hezbollah, Yemen's Houthis, and Iraq's militias, to strike Israeli targets. Iran's nuclear program also figures into security. In sum, Iran's military posture mixes conventional forces with a powerful IRGC-driven asymmetric strategy.